Hey guys, if you purchased your domain from Spaceship and want to connect it to Vercel, here's the exact tutorial and setup. So log in into your Vercel dashboard first and open up your project. Alright, and after that just open up the project that you've created, and as you can see we have a tab here, Add Custom Domain. So in here, as you can see, you can find a domain or describe your idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my settings right here, and then I will go to domains. All right, and now you open up your domain section right over here, and as you can see in here, we can do these things. We can buy a domain and then connect it, or add the existing, which is what we're looking for. And then just go ahead back into Spaceship, okay, to the official website, and of course make sure to sign up for the account and buy your domain. The prices you can find right here. Just copy your domain address. So as you can see, for example, I already have my domain purchased on other service. I go to domains, then I go to, I'll just copy my domain name and address. You can go to settings. I will tell you what to do next. In here, add existing domain, input it right here, like this, continue. Select the project to which you will be adding that domain. Chatbot in my case. Add a domain. Okay, probably just didn't input it properly. Let me do that again. So this is our address, domains, chatbot back, this, continue, chatbot. All right, as you can see, I just misspelled one little button or one symbol and it actually failed, but now everything's okay. Right, and now you go to edit, and in here you will need to provide certain details. So you will need to go to Vercel, and it will show you the DNS records you need to add. And most commonly is going to be a record. I'll show you where it is. So we go here, we go change DNS records, and as you can see, we have a CNAME, which we will need to add. And of course, make sure that all of this stuff is the same on Vercel, right? You add the CNAME, you add the A record as well. A record is pointing to Vercel's IP address for the root domain, and CNAME record is pointing to the CMail verceldns.com for 3 Ws. And then you just go to your domain list, select it, and open DNS management the same way I do it here. You do it on the Spaceship. And then when you input all of these details, you just save the changes and return to Vercel. And then you just go ahead and refresh the page in here so that everything is now successfully set up. And then you just wait for the DNS propagation that takes up to 24 hours. And then once verified, Vercel automatically issues a free SSL certificate, and no extra setup is required after that. And that's how you connect your Spaceship domain to Vercel, add a domain in Vercel, update DNS, wait for verification, and your website is live. Enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon.